Welcome back everyone, and today in this episode I'll be going through my portfolio and the company also, which the company I bought is in alcohol company, that is an Radico Khaitan, and it is a good company. And before that I would like to say something, I will be showing my portfolio week by week transparently. It is like all other YouTubers own to financial YouTubers because they only give the idea and they will drop out after that, and it's not like that from me. I will be showing my portfolio transparently, and after that I have two goals for this portfolio. First one is like consistently beat the 50 index year over year, and second one is by the end of 2028 I would like to see my portfolio value of 50 lakh rupees. Then yeah, in this chart you can see that blue line is my portfolio, and yellow line is nifty, and here you can see I've been beating this nifty 50 index by 1.95% from past 5 days. We'll see further in future days, and you can see these all the holdings I have and the quantities also. Then then uh, yeah, in my broker account you will see the same holdings I have, and will be in PDF form. Yeah, same is Colgate one share, Crompton Greaves one share, Havels one share, Techative 6, Radico Khaitan one, Relaxo one, Sheila Foam one. And you can see here the market caps allocation and by sector allocation. Now I have more allocation in small caps, and in future I will be more allocating to large caps stocks. And then we'll see about the stocks I am today going to discuss is Radico Khaitan. It is an alcohol stock, and before going to this in this Radico Khaitan, I would like to see the alcohol industry is like an monopoly industry, because getting a license is difficult for manufacturing alcohol if they get, and it has a good thing. So it's one plus point for an alcohol manufacturing company. And now in this chart you can see alcohol biggest alcohol manufacturing by market of, we will see in India perspective of view. And 19th place in India we have United Spirit, 22 United Brewers. They are all bigger companies compared to Radico Khaitan, which is like 28th rank by market cap. And though I would like to invest in United Spirit also, but it has some legal disputes. That's why I didn't invest in it. And I also found like that in my own research. I found like I went somewhere, and all the drink bottles were thrown there, and I found like in South India I found like 3 out of 5 bottles were from United Spirit. It has a moat United Spirit, but it also has dispute. That's why I didn't invest in that one. And I will be I invested in Radico Khaitan. And basing this, and in these alcohol markets in India, okay, you can see the leading brewers and distilled companies Radico Khaitan by this research. And though market cap of Radico Khaitan is low, and it has a good revenue compared to United Spirits and United Brewery. In here you can see 125 billion rupees Radico Khaitan, and these two or other two are 94 and 59 billion market cap. Then here we will go into Radico Khaitan, and we'll see. Yeah, here they have written it's like these brands they are manufacturing alcohols. They were sold in some 85 different countries. Okay, that is a good thing. And here in this section we will see shares outstanding. Yeah, shares outstanding, they are liquidating in slightly low, not a problem. And it is they are giving like stock bonus and stock bonus, so it will take a little bit of shares for that one, that reason I think. And in financial you can see quarter over quarterly this is one, revenue is growing up, and last quarter there is a dip in revenue little bit, not, that's not a problem, and net income also growing, and but in last two quarter net income down, and earning per share also was little bit down because of inflation problem. And free cash flow you can see from 2016 minus 317 231, free cash flow is growing up, and except in 2020 it has, and in 2021 they made in 287 crores in free cash flow. And holding you can see from promoter has a good 40% stake in this company. Mutual funds are increasing, other institutions also increasing, FIs are decreasing, that's not good, but we will not be considering FIs in the, because they will sell whenever they want, and they will buy in when the prices are more also. Yeah, in retailers section are going, retail investors or other parties are selling the shares, and here you can see mutual funds holding the stakes more than 1%. Okay, then dividend from 2010 it has been giving a dividend, and they are being increasing dividend until 2012, and they stayed constant until 2017, and from then they have been increasing their dividends. It is a good sign. And insider trading in 2021, lot of insiders were sellers in this company, and in 2022 they all were buying their shares, and its price around 930 950 rupees. Okay, then next section is we will be saying to their website, and we will see what are the brands they are selling to international, what all the brands are there in this. And you can see premium drinks, whiskey section, these all are things are international brands, rum, brandy, vodka, all are things are there in international section. For domestic section we'll see what all things are there. Yeah, these are premium brands, you can see there were a lot of them. Whiskey is also there, rum, brandy and vodka. Then we will be seeing like defense section. Yeah, this company also manufacture some alcohols for defense people, and it is good. Then it's loading. Yes, in here we will go inside and see what all the brands they have in for defense section. Yes, in defense section 3 whiskey, and 4 rum, brandy 3, and vodka 4, and wine 2, and other thing was RTD Electra 3. Okay, and now we will see their manufacturing units they have, which all are there. And it was like when I saw that yeah, before that we will see this and their brands, and Rampur Distillery their brand, and Rampur, this is one of the alcohol. And in this chart we can see their net debt position from 2016 to 2022. They have decreased their debt at a good rate, and right now they added 47 crore rupees in this year, and its total debt of 163 crore rupees, and good they have been decreasing their debt, and their total debt have 233 crores, and long term is 40 and short term is 193, and cash and equivalent is 70 crore rupees, 163 crore 163 net debt they have, and increase in depth of 47 crore rupees because of their new project with again 95 crore rupees since March 2022. Yeah, they are expanding their business, it tells, and yeah, they got an awards because of their finest packing, these brands, and for these brands because of their superior taste. By coming back to this, and we will see the manufacturing units, the places where they are manufacturing, and company owned units. These all are manufacturing in 5 different states. They are manufacturing in India, and bottling units they have one. See in here they have bottling units 28 are there, and out of 28 5 are owned and 23 were contracts bottling unit, and that's all I think for this episode, and we'll see in future episode how it will go this company and their profit. Sorry, I would like to say this one thing is like they have 233 crores of debt, and you can see their free cash flow here. How much we got is like they have a free cash flow of 287 crore rupees, and if they can pay back their debt in within 1 year with their free cash flow, and it's a positive thing. Thank you, thank you everyone. We will see in next episode. Thank you.